Welcome back to the channel. 2026 Bugatti Motorhome, a fusion of hypercar DNA and luxury living on there. Move at first glance, the exterior of the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome demands respect with its hypercar-inspired design elements. The front fascia carries the signature Bugatti horseshoe grille, sculpted with aerodynamic precision, while the sweeping LED headlights give it an aggressive yet futuristic stance. The bodywork is crafted from lightweight carbon fiber mixed with advanced composites, giving it both durability and elegance. Its sculpted lines and flowing curves don't just look good, they slice through the air with aerodynamic efficiency. Massive 24-inch forged alloy wheels wrapped in performance tires add both presence and stability. The rear design is equally dramatic, featuring a sleek taillight bar that stretches across the body and a deployable spoiler that hints at Bugatti's racing heritage. Every inch of this exterior is a masterpiece, blending motorhome practicality with supercar artistry. Step inside, and the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome redefines what it means to travel in luxury. The interior is wrapped in the finest hand-stitched leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber trim, perfectly combining comfort with performance aesthetics. Ambient lighting flows smoothly across the cabin, creating a futuristic yet warm atmosphere. The living space is designed with functionality and elegance in mind, an extendable lounge area with reclining seats, a smart glass dining table, and panoramic windows that adjust their tint automatically to control brightness. The kitchen comes fully equipped with state-of-the-art appliances including an induction stove, smart refrigerator, and hidden storage compartments crafted seamlessly into the design. The bedroom offers a king-size memory foam bed, retractable smart TV, and a built-in surround sound system for ultimate relaxation. Even the bathroom reflects Bugatti's attention to detail, with rainfall showers, heated floors, and Italian marble accents. Every corner of the interior screams exclusivity and refinement. Now, looking under the hood, Bugatti has engineered something extraordinary. Unlike traditional motorhomes, the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome is powered by a hybrid system that merges a V16 quad-turbocharged engine with advanced electric motors. Together, they deliver a jaw-dropping 1,800 horsepower, making this the most powerful motorhome ever built. Despite its size, it accelerates with supercar agility, reaching 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 4 seconds. The advanced all-wheel drive system, active suspension, and adaptive ride height ensure comfort on long journeys while maintaining Bugatti's signature performance. It also includes regenerative braking and a dedicated battery pack, offering a short all-electric range for eco-friendly city cruising. The cockpit features a digital driver display with Bugatti's signature styling, providing real-time performance data, navigation, and smart connectivity. This is not just a motorhome, it's a hyper-luxury performance machine on wheels. And finally, let's talk about the price. The 2026 Bugatti Motorhome is the ultimate symbol of exclusivity, with only a limited number set to be produced worldwide. The starting price is expected to be around $6.5 million, making it one of the most expensive and rarest motorhomes ever created. Each unit can be personalized through Bugatti's bespoke customization program, allowing owners to tailor every detail to their taste. For those who can afford it, this is more than just a motorhome, it's a statement of unmatched luxury, innovation, and performance. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Luxury Car Vibes for more exclusive reviews of the world's most luxurious rides.